Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click the bell icon at the top of the page to get notified when I post a new video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Universal Channeling. Channeling the Conscious Universe. The Consciousness of Christ. By Angel V. Ornedo Jr. The 11th of June 2021. An encounter, a visit with ascended masters, light beings, or a direct one-on-one Christ consciousness messenger visitation will change the course of the life of a person, and learn the meaning of unconditional love. From organizer of corporations, developer, or builder of buildings and industrial estates, or whatever you are deeply involved in, you change to a different perception of doing and looking at physical things and feel change and expansion within. Christ consciousness is a revelation of our inner being, heart-centered, knowing that we are expression of Source and our deep desire of oneness with Source, all that is. Work creation, exports and gross national product contributions are economically worthwhile deeds on physicality, but drain the earth of her resources. A life of dirt and poverty you desire to do, portrayed by churches to be good, is short of love of self and is a denial of sharing true love to others as you fail to love self. Being love and light are new life experiences these times of ascension shift. Recognition of consciousness change appreciation of things done, and show a person how to give gratitude to Creator. Recognizing it means you know you are energy and light form in a carbon shell. These are real forms of expansion of self, the universe, as that is the real intent and meaning of unconditional love, Christ consciousness. Remember, Source is never separation or duality but always unconditional love. There are more than 1 million humans in our lower frequency world of 7.2 billion people who experience the reality of the vastness of the galaxies, the universe of love, infinity and divinity that change their lives. On scientific sense, NASA satellites, Hubble, China, European telescopes inside and outside of Earth's atmosphere observing space and galaxies, created new perspectives of who we are. The moment they feel or see that reality, that existence, they felt and changed thoughts of who we are. They know infinity within the physical being, leading to knowing who we are, consciousness in energy and light form. Humanity's collective consciousness increased continuously as a result of spirituality and technology unknown in our past lives. The Global Consciousness Project, created at Princeton Engineering Anomalies Research Lab, at Princeton University, directed by Roger Nelson at Princeton, confirms large-scale group consciousness has effects in the physical world in a 10 years consciousness research project. Knowing this, we can intentionally work toward a brighter, more conscious future. Definitely critics are many. The easiest way to dispute creativity as when the Wright brothers started flying through propulsion and wings. But they are, as we know, critics, the easiest in the world to do. How can steel propellers fly, unknowing that creativity touched by consciousness start new disciplines, inventions, arts, and music thence added to the consciousness of men, recorded and added to the 3D world of knowledge. Creativity from consciousness is source of new ideas and inventions. Critics have their purpose to make your new idea work, innovating, make you more creative in the process. Awakened humans accept and learn their expressions of Source, knowing divinity, consciousness, the energy and light within, inseparable. They accept and allow the merger of mind, body, soul and divinity and learn to be heart-centered. Awakened, you have a changed life desirous to transfer to higher vibration as divinely ordained, leading to knowing feelings and emotions of joy and happiness. Baptism with Christ consciousness are direct visitations, multidimensional and/or physically awake mode as Christ is present everywhere, even in nature. Typical experiences include integration of Christ with a sphere of light to your core, being merged with the solar sphere and the Trinity, travel to the galaxies, universe. Daily encounters with divine personalities, Christ with Mother Mary in a cylinder of light to higher dimensions, offering you with outstretched hands to join them in their frequency. These divine offerings will be real imprints to your mind, body, soul, to your sacred heart. Close encounters will change your life, Your decision on whether you prefer to live an avatar on Earth while waiting for the shift no one knows when. Once a person experiences exploring or traveling across galaxies and the universe within the solar sphere of light with consciousness of Christ, you are easily identifiable as they can be felt and seen with energy fields of unconditional love, aligned with Source, all that is. Christ consciousness is a discernible energy field, completely attract other beings, change their perspective about the meaning of love, unconditional love that should be shared with others, humanity. As we have learned from Christ, dust your feet off if they do not accept your love and go on and exemplify it. People who disagree with love are repelled by this feeling as the truth is unconditional love disintegrates form. Awaken change a person living in solitude, meditation, a listener and comment only when asked, change to silent mode, to a listener. Nothingness, his or her presence, persuasive, speaking of truth are appropriate descriptive words for them. They give answers when asked, respecting individual opinions and beliefs. An individual is free to live life, reflecting back what they do to themselves, evolving. They are heart-centered, thoughts emanating from the heart exemplifying love of others as Earth's energies are changing to higher frequency. Experience infinite joy and peace inseparable with love through meditation and solitude. Desire to attain that change to crystalline light form as we pursue alignment with the Creator, pursuing our journey, our paths as we climb various stages of higher vibrational frequencies. Love and Light, Angel V. Ornedo Jr. About the author, Angel teaches love, light, oneness and unity consciousness, Christ consciousness, assist with other funds to generate livelihood in industrial estates at sea/me and corporations creating jobs, as faculty member and lecturer, share teachings at universities and colleges, boards and associations. Love teachings shared are from higher self and intuition. Link at aornetojr@gmail.com or connect at Barnes & Noble, Libris and Amazon.com. Knowing the Infinite Creator or ebooks and articles at the net.